How to drop a pin on Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to drop a pin on Google Maps. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch your Google Maps application on your device. Once you're sure, you need to make sure to sign into your particular account. And once you have done, you can easily enlarge a particular area where you want to drop a pin. Or if you don't know the exact location, you can tap the search icon at top right corner of the screen or top of the screen. And here you can easily type in the place where you want to drop the pin. So let's do it. So once you have entered the place name, you can easily tap and hold on that particular place. And once you do that, here you can easily drop a pin. Once you have done that, you can easily see the directions as well by tapping on directions. Furthermore, when you tap on the save icon or button, you can easily save to a particular list, that is your favorites, want to go, travel plans, or stay at places. Once done, tap the done button at top right corner, or you can also add a new list as well. If you wish to share this location, you can tap the share button and share it using different kinds of social media platform like WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, and share this location to anyone. You can also add labels if you wish to and enter a custom name. So you can enter as work, school, or gym, or the place you want to visit. You can create your own here and you can easily save it. Once you have added the label, you can easily tap on the more button as well and download the offline map or your visits and maps activity, or you can add to contact as well. Once you have done that, that is how you can easily drop a pin on Google Maps. So that is how we drop a pin on Google Maps. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.